Nomenclature. The nomenclature under this aliphatic of aldehyde is completed. Now aromatic. Aromatic of aldehyde. See, aromatic of aldehyde under this C6H5 CHO. Okay, C6H5 it is benzene structure. CHO, this is named benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Okay, benzaldehyde. Formula. Common name iupacname, right? The common name it is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. IUPAC name benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. Okay, benzene carbaldehyde. One more. You know already benzaldehyde, right? Okay, now here OH. The ortho position hydroxy group, right? Common name ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde, right? The IUPAC name is salicylaldehyde. Okay, one more. Benzene. Okay, the benzene CH3, you know already when the CH3 it is attached in para position, it is a toluene. Here CHO metamethyl benzaldehyde. Tolylysate tolualdehyde. Okay, tolualdehyde. Now this all is aromatic of aldehyde. Okay, then we are discussion about ketone. See, in this ketone also we are learning about formulas, nomenclatures under this aliphatic, aromatic, both. Okay, now aliphatic of ketones. Okay, name means formula names, common names, IUPAC names. Here already ketones are C double bond O R. In this R it is alkyl group or either than aryl group, right? Here now CH3, here in the R place we can replace the CH3, C2H5, C6H5, C6H5, C3H7, etc. I said in the before video, right? Now we are replacing this all in R position. Okay, C double bond O, CH3. Now This is common name is dimethyl ketone, right? Dimethyl ketone. Common name dimethyl ketone. It is common name. What is IUPAC name? Dimethyl ketone, it is a common name na, IUPAC name. Here how many carbons? 1, 2, 3 carbons. Frof, single bonds, profon. Here ketone, it is by suffix functional group ONE. Here propanone. Okay. Now one more. In the CH3, here C double bond O. In the R position, C2H5 I am writing. C2H5. Okay. C2H5. Ethyl. This is ethyl now. Ethyl. What is this? Methyl ketone. Now, how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. It is 4 but, right? Butanone. Okay? Butanone. Now, C2H5, C double bond O, C2H5. C2H5, C2H5, what is this? Ethyl, right? How many? 2. That's way. Diethyl ketone. Diethyl ketone, it is common name. IUPAC name here 2 carbons, 4, 5. 5 it is pentanone. Okay. This is aliphatic of ketone. Okay. Then aromatic. See, aromatic of ketone. Aromatic of ketone, under this aromatic means I said already in the before video, closed or ring formation. Okay. Now here benzene, closed type, right? C double bond O, CH3. Now see, you can write this double bond O in upside. Okay, our wish. Now this formula name methyl phenyl ketone, right? Methyl phenyl ketone. It is common name. IUPAC name acetophenone. Okay, acetophenone. Okay, this is the IUPAC name. Now one more. C double bond O, CH2, CH3. What is this? Ethyl phenyl ketone. Ethyl phenyl ketone. Okay. Now one more. C double bond O, C double bond O. Okay. This is 2 phenyls, diphenyl ketone group is present, diphenyl ketone. You can write like that, or C6H5, C double bond O, C6H5. Okay. Just I have written formula. This is a structure. Now diphenyl ketone, it is common name, IUPAC name benzophenone. Okay, benzophenone. benzophenone. Here benzene, one is phenone. Ketone group is present. This is the IUPAC name. This is the common name. Okay. Thank you. Subscribe this video.